So in this video I'll be sharing 5 super easy, super quick and delicious kids lunchbox recipes. These recipes are well tried and can be made in minutes, and your kids will love the combinations that I have created with these recipes. Do try these recipes when you are in a hurry or you just want to try something new and exciting. Do try these recipes. Every recipe is unique with some very basic ingredients that we find in normal Indian kitchen. Do give it a try and let me know your lovely feedbacks. So let's make these yummy recipes and your kids will have a lot of surprises. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Sooji Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. Let's begin with this series recipe. So first in my series I have banana dates pancake, and the best part is that I have used whole wheat flour in this recipe. So in a blender I'll be taking 3 ripe banana. These are small size bananas, so I have taken 3, and 3 dates I have taken. These are seedless dates, and 2 green cardamom. Everything will be adding in this blender. And jaggery powder I have taken 3 tablespoons. If you don't want to add jaggery, you can always add some sugar. And to this blender I'll be adding around 1.5 cups of boiled milk at room temperature. You can also add some more if you want or less. And here I have blended it nicely, and I'll transfer it to a ball. It should be smooth. And to this I'll be adding 1 cup of whole wheat flour or atta. Baking powder I'll be adding around 1/4 teaspoon, and 2 pinch of salt that actually balances the sweetness. Give it a mix, and the consistency should be semi thick. You can see in my video. So after mixing for around 1 to 2 minutes, this should be the consistencies. That's why I had said you can little bit increase the amount of milk or decrease it, but basically the consistency should be like this. Now I've heated a pan on medium flame, and I've added some clarified butter or ghee. You can always add some normal salted butter or plain butter. And to this I'll be adding small spoon of batter because I want to make mini pancakes for tiffin box. If you want, you can make larger pancakes or the regular size pancakes. So I'll just pour it and wait till the pores starts to appear. This signifies the pancake has been nicely cooked from inside. And I'll apply some more ghee and some chopped nuts I have used, some cashew nuts and some black raisins I'll be using. Completely depends upon your choice what dry fruits you want to use. And here some black raisins I have chopped, and this small mini pancakes looks very adorable and are perfect for kids tiffin box recipe, and your kids will be really excited once they open this. So this once takes just 1 to 2 minutes on one side, and carefully I'll be using one butter knife and one fork to flip this. So again, as I said, it completely depends upon your wish, the size of these pancakes, and carefully I'll just flip it. And again I'll apply some butter or ghee, anything you're using, it's completely upon your choice. Just brush some on these pancakes and this will turn golden in just few seconds. That's it. So these pancakes are ready, and how wholesome they are. You can imagine we have used whole wheat flour, some bananas, dates, and alternatively you can use sugar or jaggery, and these are ready. See, beautiful lovely pancakes are done, and it's time to pack them in the tiffin box or lunch box. So here I have taken one lovely lunch box, and these pancakes I'll arrange beautifully. To complete this lunch box or this meal, I'll be adding some few more ingredients. So here goes some pomegranate seeds to complete the nutritional value, and for kids recipe we'll be adding some nice puffcorns to create the magic and flavors. So it's done and sorted. Next I'll be sharing a delicious recipe of Suji sandwich. That's a no bread sandwich. So for that I'll be taking Sooji or Semolina, the fine one, around 1 cup. If you don't have the fine Semolina, you can use the regular Semolina. Just blend it 1 to twice in a blender, and this I have used. And to this I'll be adding 1/2 cup of curd. It's homemade curd, just a thick curd, and just I'll give it a mix. And to this I'll be adding water 1.5 cups, but not at a time. Half amount of water I'll be adding at this stage, so that the semolina or suji absorbs the water and it nicely is soaked in this moisture. So just give it a mix and rest it for 20 minutes. and after 20 minutes I'll be using that. So while it's resting, let's prepare the stuffing. For 2 tablespoon oil I'll be heating on medium flame, cooking oil, and when it's nicely heated I'll be adding 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and to this, when it starts to temper, I'll be adding half teaspoon of chopped green chilies, half teaspoon of chopped ginger, some onions and few curry leaves. If you want to avoid green chilies, it's basically depends upon your taste, you can avoid that. Give it a mix and just saute for around 2 to 3 minutes till this onion starts to soften. And green peas I'll be adding 3 tablespoon. Boiled and peeled mashed potatoes I have taken, around 3 to 4 medium size. This goes in. Some salt I'll be adding. Red chili powder I'll be adding on half teaspoon. And here the trick is some pav bhaji masala or kitchen king masala around 1.5 tablespoon. So now everything, give it a mix on medium flame. Everything will be nicely sorted. And yes, I had forgotten to add some turmeric powder. 2 pinch of turmeric powder I've added. After sauteing and mixing for 2 to 3 minutes, finally I'll be adding half teaspoon of lemon juice. Adjust salt accordingly and switch off the flame. Quick, easy, simple and delicious stuffing is ready. And meanwhile, my batter has been resting for 20 minutes now and it looks perfect to me. Give it a mix, and to this I'll be adding now remaining water. Basically the texture and consistency of this mixture should be somewhat like the uttapam mixture. It should neither be thick not too thin like dosa, a bit you can tell semi thick. And now I'll add some salt and Eno, 1 packet and 1 sachet I have added. And to activate this Eno, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of water. Give it a mix. These foams actually will help to rise this batter. Now it's done. So here I have heated a pan on medium flame. Cooking oil I have used. Spread it uniformly using a spatula. And now on medium flame I'll be pouring 2 spoonful of batter. We just want to make this batter in the shape of a pancake, little bit larger than pancake. Spread it uniformly. The consistency you can see it's semi thick. And now I'll be adding some stuffing. I'll spread the stuffing uniformly, the potato stuffing that we had made. I'll use a spoon and just spread it uniformly, and after few seconds I'll be adding 1 more spoonful of batter, and again I'll spread it uniformly because this is what we are making, no bread sandwich. This semolina will be nicely cooked and will form a nice shape of a bread with the tasty potato stuffing in between, exactly like we made the bread sandwich with potato stuffing. That's why it's called no bread sandwich. And I've drizzled some more oil on the sides and let it cook on medium flame for around 3 to 4 minutes, and carefully I'll flip it and again I'll cook on both sides, and you can see it has nicely cooked. Do not forget to sprinkle some paprika or some Kashmiri red chili powder for the color, and I'll just cut it into half. It takes around 4 to 5 minutes for this to be cooked, and you can see how lovely it has turned out. Green peas potato stuffing in a bed of semolina, which we call sandwich. And it's time to serve in the lunch box. The kids will love this recipe. They will be surprised by the flavors of the stuffing. And to complete this tiffin, I have some very beautiful cherries and some biscuits. This goes in and the tiffin is ready. So next on my menu is chili paneer Maggi. Yes, you heard it right. We'll be making very shortcut chili paneer Maggi, and that too the noodles will be perfectly fluffy and non-sticky. So in a pan I'll be heating 3 tablespoons of oil. Some chopped ginger goes in, some green chilies and some chopped onions. I'll be preparing 2 packs of Maggis. For that, this is the quantity, and just saute for 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame. And once sauteed, I'll be adding some chopped carrots, some chopped tomatoes, some 2 tablespoons of green peas and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, because in this recipe I'll be using some soya sauce, so be careful when you're adding salt. Saute for just 1 to 2 minutes, not more than that. And meanwhile I have heated water on 1 liter so that we can boil our Maggi noodles. And here I'll be adding some chopped paneer to this veggies. Give it a mix, and my water is already set on fire, and these veggies are almost done with this paneer. After sauteing for 1 to 2 minutes, I'll be adding 1 packet of the Maggi masala. Reduce the flame to medium and let's see the water. So this water has been nicely boiling. To this, on high flame I'll be adding 2 packs of Maggi and wait till it comes to a boil. Just it comes to a boil, and after it comes to a boil, just 30 seconds I'll be waiting. And once it comes to a boil and then 30 seconds and it's time to remove the noodles, that's it. We don't want these noodles to be overcooked. That's why we had prepared these veggies earlier. I'll take out the noodles from the water and go straight into this pan, and the remaining 1 sachet of masala goes in, and soya sauce I have added just a little bit. Give it a mix on medium flame. Make sure you do this on medium flame, and this yummy non-sticky chili paneer Maggi is ready. The flavor will amaze you, and these noodles will remain non-sticky even in the tiffin box. That's why we have made this recipe, because we had removed the starch while we had boiled the Maggi, and this Maggi is served in this tiffin box. Look how colorful and how yummy it's looking. And to complete this tiffin box, I'll be adding some nice fruits, because we have already served Maggi. So some oranges I have thrown in, and I'll use some cakes. This will please your kids' taste bud to perfection. Try this combo and this recipe and do let me know. My next recipe for the day is veg cheese sandwich, but with a twist. So for this recipe, I'll be using some nice chunks of vegetables. 2 tablespoons of chopped carrot goes in, 2 tablespoons of chopped capsicum, 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, some beetroot, and boiled, peeled and cubed potatoes goes in around 2 medium size. Some green chili I have added, chopped tomato goes in, and chaat powder 1 tablespoon I'll be adding. Black salt or white salt 1/4 teaspoon I'll be adding. That's it. Give it a mix. All this combination are the ingredients of the Bombay masala sandwich, but I have used in a different way so that it is convenient for the kids to have them. So once we have mixed this stuffing, now I'll heat 1 tablespoon of butter or normal oil you can use, and 1 slice of white bread or you can use. You can always use brown bread, multigrain bread, again depends upon your choice. Apply some tomato ketchup generously, and to this I'll add the stuffing that we had made, lots and lots of veggies with the sprinkle of chaat powder. Taste you can adjust plus minus the quantity of chaat powder. Sprinkle it uniformly, and now I'll add some chopped paneer and 1 slice of cheese, and again I'll apply some ketchup to 1 other slice of bread, and then sandwich it nicely. Some oil I've added, you can always use butter. Press it and toast for around 2 to 3 minutes till the cheese starts to melt, and again same goes for the other side. This sandwich is one of the easiest and super yummy and lovely flavor. The kids will love this recipe. You can cut it into half or into quarter, and this goes in the tiffin box. Look how beautiful it's looking. As I said, all the ingredients are similar to the Bombay masala sandwich, but I have customized it so that the kids can love it, because if they are little bit larger pieces, they will definitely throw them out of the sandwiches. And now to complete this lunch box, I have added some wafer here, because some veggies goes in and some appetizing things for kids should also goes in. Some dry fruits, 1 banana, and some pomegranate pearls goes in. Look how lovely, colorful and nutrient rich flavor is ready for the tiffin. And my final recipe for the day is potato rice, genuinely one of the easiest recipes of some leftover rice. So here I have added some ghee. You can use some butter. To this I will add some chopped garlic, chopped ginger and chopped green chili. Green chili you can avoid at any stage if you are making for kids. Give it a mix for just few seconds, and once it's done I will be adding 6 tablespoons of chopped onions. Yes, in this recipe onions are used in little bit largest quantity, so it's around 2 medium size of onions. And once it's sorted, I'll be using 1 large potato. These are boiled, peeled and cubed. Salt I'll be using. So now the trick here is that the sweetness of these onions will actually give a flavor to this recipe. Saute for around 3 to 4 minutes, and here I have taken boiled rice 2 cups, some red chili powder I have added, and lemon juice I have squeezed, and I have nicely mixed it. This goes in this caramelized onion and potato mixture, and now what happens, the caramelized flavor of potato and onions will create a magic. You can throw in some curry leaves or some chopped coriander, that gives a beautiful flavor. 2 tablespoons of water I will be adding. Salt you can adjust at this stage, and now I'll cover it and leave it on low flame for just 3 to 4 minutes till a nice flavor arises and everything mixes nicely. The moisture helps in that, because we had added 2 tablespoons of water. Give it a mix, adjust salt as I have said, because we had added lemon in the rice, and very quick, easy, delicious potato rice is ready in minutes and perfect for any lunchbox recipe. Serve this lunchbox recipe and your kids will love the flavors. Do not forget to add some chopped coriander leaves, and to make it a complete meal I have added here some kiwi and some chips that kids love, and some pomegranate pearls. So this is the final look of my potato rice tiffin box recipe. Do try this, you will love it. And as I have said, 5 unique different healthy tiffin box combos I have showed you, and these are very easy to make. Once you make these recipes, you will be habituated to mingle with the flavors. To try this, especially the paneer Maggi and the sandwiches. Everybody will love the flavors. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from Luin Patnaik. She writes, "Hello there. It tasted heavenly, and being the mother of a foodie kid, I am always in search of new recipes for her, and this dish totally made her splend out. You truly deserve more appreciation and followers. Lots of love to you." Thank you so much for your appreciation. Thank you so much for your beautiful words. This really made my day, and I'm so glad that your kid liked the recipe. Stay tuned for such more lovely recipes. Thank you and stay connected. And do try this lovely recipe combinations. I am very hopeful that your kids will love these flavors. And if you want, you can follow Su's Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. And if you have liked the video, do give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.